Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing 3 colors that map to purpose, one for concepts, one for questions, and one for summaries. Next, write only one idea per sticky to reduce cognitive load. Use a short phrase or keyword. Once done, arrange notes on your desk or wall by priority, high, medium, low, so you can visualize focus. Make sure to keep a timer at hand for the first session. It sets a rhythm and prevents overstuffing your initial layout. Now move into active study. Pick a note and spend 3 to 5 minutes explaining it out loud or writing a quick paragraph. Use the question-colored stickies to self-test. Try to answer before revealing the summary note, because retrieval strengthens memory. Once done with several, cluster related notes into chains so you can connect ideas. Linking boosts comprehension. Make sure to interleave different topics to avoid illusions of mastery and to force durable learning across contexts. Finish by consolidating. Convert clustered notes into one summary sticky per topic, then move mastered notes into an archive area or folder. Schedule a weekly review wall session to refresh spaced repetition and to spot weak areas. If you get stuck or notice confusion, rewrite the troublesome note from memory and compare. That highlights gaps. Make sure to replace vague words with crisp cues so future recall is faster, and adjust color or placement when a topic shifts priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.